There are majorly four types of animal tissues. They are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. In this video, we will learn about connective tissue. There are seven types of connective tissues. Let us learn one by one. Areola tissue. Areola is one type of tissue which joins different tissues. It helps in packaging and helps to keep the organs in place. These cells are called fibroblasts. These are the major components in this type of connective tissue. These cells secrete fibrous material which holds the other tissue in position. These cells also help in repair of the tissues when they are injured. It is present around the kidney, liver, the spleen, and lymph nodes, patches, as well as in bone marrow. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is a type of connective tissue that extends throughout the body. Fat storing adipose tissue is found below the skin, between internal organs, and even in the inner cavities of the bones. The cells of this tissue are filled with fat globules. Storage of fat also acts as a insulator. Adipose tissue is a specialized connective tissue mainly composed of fat cells known as adipocytes. Adipocytes. Adipocytes can be subdivided into three cell types: white, brown, and beige adipocytes, which differ in their structure, location, and function. Bone. Bone is another type of connective tissue. It forms the framework that supports the body. It is a major component of the skeletal system of several vertebrates, except some fishes like sharks. Bone is made up of calcium carbonate. These cells are secreted by cells called osteocytes. These cells are present in the central hollow portion of the bone called bone marrow. Bone marrow. Bone is the living tissue that makes up the body's skeleton. Bone provides shape and support for the body as well as protection for some organs. Bone also serves as a storage site for minerals. Bone provides the medium marrow for the development and storage of blood cells. Cartilage. Cartilage is a type of connective tissue found in the joints of the bone tip, of the ribs tip, of the nose, external ears, and in trachea. Embryos of several vertebrates do not have bone but have cartilage. The entire skeleton of fishes like sharks is made up of cartilage. Cartilage is hard but not hard as bone. Cartilage is a strong, flexible connective tissue that protects your joints and bones. It acts as a shock absorber throughout your body. Cartilage at the end of your bones reduces friction and prevents them from rubbing together when you use your joints. Ligament. Ligament is a type of connective tissue that connects bones at the joints and holds them in position. It is made up of large number of fibers. These fibers are made up of a protein called collagen. This is very elastic in nature. Ligaments are bands of tough elastic tissue around the joints. Ligaments connect bone to bone, give the joint support, and limit their movement. Ligaments are present around the knees, ankles, elbows, shoulders, and other joints. Tendon. Tendon is a type of connective tissue which is made up of fibers. The tendon joins the muscle to bone. It is also made up of collagen. A tendon serves to move the bone or structure. Tendons are mostly collagen, one of the most abundant proteins in the body. Collagen fibers are flexible, strong, and resistant to damage. A tendon's structure is similar to fiber optic cable or a rope with small collagen fibers arranged in bundle. Blood. Blood is a type of fluid connective tissue. There are no fibers in blood. It contains of plasma and blood cells. Plasma. It contains most of the water and other organic and inorganic salts. Blood cells. There are three types of blood cells. Red blood cells RBC. A type of blood cell that is made in the bone marrow and found in the blood. Red blood cells contain a protein called hemoglobin which carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. Red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, deliver oxygen to the tissues in our body. White blood cells. White blood cells are part of the body's immune system. They help the body fight infection and other diseases. Blood platelets. Platelets are piece of very large cells in the bone marrow called megakaryocytes. They help form blood clots to slow or stop bleeding and helps to wounds heal.